Yes, in this video we are going to discuss about the theories on origin of life. For a previous video you have seen some Big Bang theory and origin of life, origin of evolution, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about some theories. Okay, first one they are given a special creation. Okay, special creation is the first theory of origin of life. Special creation அப்படினாலே என்னமா life on the earth. இந்த earthல life என்றது they are forming of a divine creation. என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்கமா இந்த தியரியில இந்த life earthல ஃபார்ம் ஆனது ஒரு divine creation. It is not an evolution. Evolution பார்த்தலாம் கிடையாது. இது ஒரு divine creation தான். or இல்லனா ஒரு supernatural events கூட இருக்கலாம். என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்கப்பா supernatural event. Okay, it's just a form and suddenly emphasize that the life has not changed every since its origin. Okay, அது origin ஆனதுல இருந்து change ஆகல, ஆனா சடனா ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா, டிவைன் கிரியேஷன் சொல்றாங்க. So there is no any proof about this special creations. Okay, so this is what a first theory of origin of life. And next one is the spontaneous generation. What is the next one? Spontaneous generation. Here it is also called as a abiogenesis. What is another name for this? Abiogenesis. Here A, which indicate the what? Absence. Okay, bio, which mean of life. Genesis, which mean to form. To forming of life in the absence of living things. Living things la irundhu idu form agala, non living things la irundha life form aachu. That is the spontaneous, sudden. Okay, that is the what? Spontaneous generation. Okay, that is the said of what? A life originated from the, here a life originated from the lifeless matter. Okay ma, life edula irundha originate aacha? Lifeless matter la irundha life originate ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. For an example, here they are give some example of spontaneous generation. First one, frog. Frog இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? Here a frog is originated from the moist soil. எதுலன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Moist soil ல இருந்து தான் frog originate ஆனதாகும். Fishes இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? Fishes originated from the mud. Okay ma, fishes originated from the mud. And next one, insects. Insects are originated from the decaying matter. They are originated decaying matter. What is a decaying matter அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா சிதைவடைந்த பொருள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is dead ஆன organism சிதைவடைந்து சொல்லுவாங்க, that is decaying matter. So இது எல்லாமே என்னமா, all the one is a lifeless matter. So life is originated from the lifeless. So insects, frogs, fishes எல்லாமே life matter இல்லையா, living things. அப்போ living things they are formed from the non-living things. That is the what? Spontaneous generation. So there is no any proof in the spontaneous generation. Okay, and next one theory is biogenesis. What is the next theory ma? Biogenesis. So bio, which mean a life, genesis, which mean a formation. That is the formation of a life. Okay, here one scientist Louis Pasteur. Who's that? Louis Pasteur. Yeah, in the year of 1862. In the year of 1862, he proposed the one theory. It's a life originate from the pre-existing of life. Pre-existing of life. What is a pre-existing of life? Okay, pre-existing of life அப்படினா என்னது? இப்போ இருக்க லைஃப் முன்னாடி வாழ்ந்த ஒருத்தவங்களுடைய லைஃப்ல இருந்து தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. அதாவது முன்னாடி உயிரோடு இருந்த ஒரு ஏதோ ஒரு லைஃப் மேட்டர்ல இருந்து தான் இப்போ இருக்க லைஃப் எல்லாமே ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. For that they are doing some experiment. They taken two test tube எடுத்துட்டாங்கப்பா, and he placed the killed yeast. So this is what? Killed yeast, and here also he placed the killed yeast. Killed yeast, both of them are killed yeast, and here so they are covered the mouth part tightly without any airflow. Here they are given an airflow to the killed yeast. Appo just they are observing them. Okay, dark room la just observe பண்றாங்க. ஒன்னு சுத்தமா க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. Another thing they are given an airflow. அப்போ லைஃப் எதில் ஆர்ஜினேட் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா they are given an airflow killed yeast இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, இதுல இருந்து தான் they are forming a new organism. So they are come to the conclusion a life originated from the pre-existing of life. இது முன்னாடி வாழ்ந்தது killed one, and here also they are having a killed one, but there is no any airflow in that. Here they are having some airflow. அப்போ atmospheric conditions கூட combine ஆகி தான் they are forming as a that is a life is forming from the pre-existing life. Okay, ஒரு டெட்டான ஆர்கானிசம்ல இருந்து தான் ஒரு நியூ ஆர்கானிசம் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கும்னு he proved that is the Louis Pasteur prove பண்றார். Okay, that is the biogenesis. And next one is the extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. Let me see that. Here next one is the extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. Here what is an extraterrestrial or cosmic origin அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னாக்க extra which mean another, okay, additional terrestrial land. இப்போ this is a what earth. Okay, extraterrestrial apart from the earth they are having another planets. Okay, so here still some scientists they are believed earthல இருக்க life they are just come from the another planet. ஓகே, வேற ஒரு பிளானட்ல இருந்து தான் எர்த்ல லைஃப் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேமா, so that they are states that is the units of life is called spores, which mean their life is come from the extraterrestrial land, that is the another planet. Okay, that is the different transfer from the different planets including earth. They are having an idea about the astronomers இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, galaxies பத்தி படிக்கிறவங்க they are just still believe life come from the another planet, that is the what extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. Okay, so that's it for an extraterrestrial and cosmic origin. Let me move on. Next one, chemical evolution of life. What is the next topic, ma? Chemical evolution of life. Here, what is the chemical evolution of life? They are having two scientists. First one is the Oparin. Who is the first one? Oparin in the year of 1922. And another person is Haldane. Who is another person? Haldane in the year of 1929. Both of them are proposed that is a life arises from the series of chemical reaction. ரெண்டு பேருமே என்ன ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்றாங்க, லைஃப் எப்போ ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுன்னா இந்த கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் மூலமா தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. இந்த கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ்னா தேர் இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் டூ திங்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் நான் லிவிங், தட் இஸ் இன்ஆர்கானிக் plus organic. Chemical reactions of inorganic and organic matter, both of them are getting a chemical reactions. They are drive organic molecules are transferred to form a colloidal. Just their form. Sorry, a colloidal system to forming of life. So in this modern theory they are most acceptable. Okay, in the modern theory there is a chemical evolution of life, they are just acceptable. So life not only come from the inorganic, not only from the organic matter, both a combination of organic and inorganic. There is a lifeless matter, there is no life matter, they are forming of a life matter conclude parang. So that's it for a chemical evolution of life. I hope you have to understand to that what are the evidence of origin of life. Okay, so that's it for today class. Just copy all the things in your observation and follow your homework in your class note. Okay student, thank you. We'll see the remaining topic, that is the evidence of evolution, in our next class. Okay, thank you.